In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a section in Wix specifically for mobile devices. This is perfect if you want your mobile site to look cleaner or remove elements that don't work well on smaller screens. Start by opening your website in the Wix Editor. At the top of the editor, click the mobile icon, which looks like a smartphone. This switches you to the mobile editor so you can see exactly how your site appears on mobile devices. Once you're in mobile view, find the section you want to hide. This could be a strip, container, image, or text element. Click on it to select it, then look for the hide icon shown as an eye with a line through it. Click that icon and the section will become faded, indicating it's now hidden on mobile. This section will still appear on desktop, but mobile visitors won't see it, helping keep your mobile layout simple and user-friendly. If you ever want to bring the section back, open the Hidden on Mobile panel in the mobile editor. You'll see a list of all hidden elements there. Just click Show Next to the section you want to restore and it will reappear instantly. That's all it takes to control what shows on mobile in Wix. With just a few clicks, you can create a smoother, more polished experience for your mobile visitors. Thanks for watching.